I should be able to remember all the lyrics to that, I would hope. Let me do Teresa's song. Tearing through the days, wandering through the ways I love her. Blinded by a smile that tells a story all the while she is waking. Torn up sheets of time, I clutch them hard, but every sigh keeps them blowing. Northward toward the sun, dancing one by one by one. And something beautiful this way comes. And something sad that way goes. Something sad this way comes, and something beautiful that way goes. It used to be the air was just a breeze blown through your hair every morning. The laugh lit up the day, leaving the night no other way but to go. And each and every choice is just a choir of angry voices singing softly. My head knows every part and sings them one by one by one. And something beautiful this way comes, and something sad that way goes. But don't worry, something sad this way comes, and something beautiful that way goes. That way goes, this way comes, and that way goes. Tearing through the days, wandering through the ways I love her. Blinded by a smile, told a story all the while she was waking. Now I hit the floor a little different than before, but I can feel you. The echo of our days, take them one by one by one. And something beautiful this way comes, and something sad that way goes. But don't worry, it's something sad this way comes, and something beautiful, something beautiful that way goes. Haven't sung that one in a while.
I know. I love that one. I really love that one. I know I said that about all of them, but
That's definitely one of my favorite songs that I've ever written. It's about my beautiful friend Teresa Light, for Teresa and her husband Pete. Teresa passed away of cancer, and she fought very bravely for a long time, and just surrounded by her family and all these wonderful people who love her. And I got a chance to really see, for those of you who don't know the story behind that song, I got a chance to just really, sing to Teresa a little bit in her final weeks and months. And I got the chance to see how beautifully her husband Pete cared for her and how they cared for each other. And just, so I was just sort of inspired by their story to write that song. And it's great. I love that I have that little, I don't know, it's like this little memorial, you know.
yeah.
It's a great way to remember things, you know. When you sing them, it's weird. It accesses memories that are just accesses them differently. So that is dedicated to Pete and Teresa always.
Yeah.
Teresa's song.